Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from PrizePick to Cash App. First, open the PrizePick app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap Account or Wallet. Here you will see your available balance and make sure you have money available to withdraw. Next, tap Withdraw button. PrizePick will now ask you want to send your money to your Cash App. You must have Cash App linked to the bank account. Now open the Cash App, tap your profile icon, then go to the linked bank. Make sure your bank account or debit card is connected. PrizePick does not send money directly to Cash App, but it sends money to your bank which Cash App use. After that, go back to the PrizePick, enter the amount you want to withdraw, double check the number, then tap confirm. Your withdrawal is now processing. It must take 1 to 3 business days, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.